Good day, class. Today we are going to have an activity entitled Everyone Has Feelings. So we will be needing the following materials. We need a paper, a marker, or any coloring materials. So, again, a friendly reminder for everyone, let us be curious and be respectful to one another. I also hope that everyone will listen to each other and take turns. Let us give each one another a chance to talk, and please avoid judgment. And everything shared in this class is confidential, okay? So please, all everything is confidential in this class. So now, what we are going to do today is we are going to explore our feelings, okay? So, because sometimes it is really nice and good to pay close attention to ourselves and give time to actually check in with how we are feeling, right? I know that you are feeling a lot of emotions lately. So, this time, let us try to know ourselves better by knowing how we really feel. So you might notice that we have more than one feeling at a time, right? And sharing with them, and sharing that feeling to someone is just normal. And those kind of feeling is valid, okay? Especially in this time of pandemic, that there are a lot of changes. There are so many things happening right now that you get overwhelmed, right? So today, let us try to be more mindful with how we feel. So this activity will actually give us time to be with ourselves. So I hope everyone is ready because we will be exploring more about our feelings now. So remember that there are no wrong or right emotions, okay? So please bear that in mind that there are no wrong or right emotions. And actually paying attention to how we really feel can definitely give us more information about ourselves, and that will give us knowledge on how we can handle those situations. So now I would like to invite everyone to find your most comfortable sitting position. And I would like also to invite everyone to close their eyes and listen to my voice. Please settle down and be quiet. So please close your eyes and just listen to what I am saying right now. I hope you're ready. So now I would like you to think about the time when you felt confident, brave. Think of the time when you felt determined, cared for. Isipin mo yung mga panahon na ikaw ay masaya, that you feel strong, that you feel that you can do everything, and there's this somebody who cares for you. And now think of the time when you felt lonely, disappointed, hurt, jealous, embarrassed, shy. You might probably feel confused, curious, sometimes optimistic, and patient. Think of all those feelings. I will give you enough time to ponder on those feelings. And now, you may open your eyes. Okay, so how are you feeling now? Okay, so just do not answer me, okay? Let us try to put our answer on a sheet of paper because you are going to draw a picture with the colors that matches the way you feel right now. Okay? So again, guguhit lamang tayo ng larawan na may mga kulay na nagma-match or tumutugma sa kung ano ang nararamdaman natin ngayon. Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo? Ido-drawing natin ito at ilalagay mo din yung kulay na kakambal or katugma ng nararamdaman mong ito. Okay? So, I will give you enough time to finish your drawing. Okay? So, I think everybody is done with their art activity. Okay? So, we may now proceed with sharing. Okay? So, who would like to share their output, their artwork to their group, to the group, to the class? Okay? Meron ba dito? Okay, very good. So thank you so much for sharing. That is very appreciated. I would like to commend everyone for being so brave in sharing their emotions, their experience about our activity. Well, ano ba talaga yung naramdaman ninyo ngayon? Okay, so marami tayong naramdaman, di ba? And how many feelings do you have today? Marami ba? Okay, so you might probably feel a lot of feelings because of the enumeration I gave you, 'di ba? Because of the feelings I tried to let you feel a while ago, right? Ang dami ng naramdaman natin, ang dami ng mga emotions. Now, napapansin mo ba ito na sometimes you feel all those feeling at a time or maaring nagsasabay-sabay sila? Okay? So sometimes you feel just one emotion or one feeling and sometimes naman sabay-sabay sila. Do you experience that? So pag napapansin mo ito, ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo? Ano yung naiisip mo? 'Di ba? It's such an overwhelming feeling. Like you really don't know what to feel, right? And what feelings actually did you show in your picture? Okay? So may mga may mga pinakita tayo kanina mga artwork. Ano ba yung pakiramdam or feeling na gusto mong ipakita sa larawan na ginuhit mo? Okay? And what was it like to represent your feelings through colors and images? Okay, did you had a hard time doing that feeling and color matching? Okay? What was it like? Okay? And what was it like to listen to your classmates' feelings and see their drawings? Ano yung naramdaman ninyo? Ano ba yung naging experience nyo din while you're listening to your classmates' feelings? Like when they are sharing, ano ba yung naramdaman ninyo? And nung makita mo yung drawing nila, ano din yung naramdaman mo? So, did you, how did this exercise help you understand your feelings? Paano ba nakatulong itong activity natin ngayon para mas maintindihan mo ang iyong nararamdaman? Okay? So, 'di ba, parang ang dami nating naging realization about this that you were able also to understand other feelings, right? Okay, how did this exercise help you understand your classmates? Okay? See? So, well, all feelings are valid and how we express them is something we can learn more about, 'di ba? So, well, actually, you have you heard a lot of sharing a while ago. Ang dami ng mga iba't ibang emotions na narinig ninyo, ang dami ng mga kanya-kanyang mga experiences. And knowing that somebody's listening, that someone is affirming, that someone is just there to listen and to accept who you are, something it's such a good feeling, right? It is it's a feeling that you're being accepted, that you know that no one is invalidating your feelings, that you know that those persons, your classmates, really cares about you because they didn't even argue or judge you with with the experiences or with your sharings, right? So those feelings were actually valid. So kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo ngayon, okay lang yan. So lumilipas lang naman ang mga emosyon natin, 'di ba? Ang mga pakiramdam na ito. And actually, it's really good to know how are we feeling Like we really have to label those feelings, we really have to name it and tell to ourselves that yes, I am feeling those different emotions, and with the knowledge I have with those emotions, I can also say that I am more self-aware with myself. I am more self-aware rather, right? I know more about myself because I know how to label them. I know how to recognize, identify what I am feeling right now. Although it really takes time to learn how to navigate those feelings, right? Those emotions. But being curious about our difficult emotions will definitely help us to deal with those difficult emotions, right? And we just have to trust the process that everything will just pass, diba? So this shall pass. Everything will just end. Okay, so anyway, it's really important, to learn about them, to learn about all our emotions, and to express also our emotions more freely. 'Di ba? So dito natutunan natin that it's okay if you're not feeling okay. It's okay if you want to express your emotions as long as you're not hurting anyone, you're not hurting anybody. Wala ka namang tinatapakang tao. It's just pretty fine. Now we just have to accept these emotions, whether it is at home or at school, because it's really impossible to avoid all those emotions, diba? So we just really have to find a way on how we can express them, and definitely we have to recognize that instead of reacting, diba? So we also have to take a look at our real emotions. You are not your emotions actually, so we really have also to be careful with how we react. We also have to look after our physical body, of our well-being. And with that, we are also trying to practice compassion, the so-called self-compassion, you know, compassion for yourself and definitely for others. So I hope you learned something from our discussion for today. Well, it's okay not if you're not feeling okay. It's okay if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling nervous, if you're feeling a lot of emotions right now, kung marami mang emotions na yan, it's okay. Okay? So, thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much for participating, my dear students. And congratulations, everyone. God bless everyone.